For years, the National Sports Stadium was a shame. Broken seats, dead floodlights, calf bands. The Warriors played home games in Rwanda or in other countries. Coming home. Mission accomplished. A Sanyatwe Twins National Sports Stadium from band to bride. Please subscribe or like on the bell icon by Isaac Makumich. I'm Daniel GT. That is ending of Minister of Sports. General Sanyatwe is delivering. Since taking office, he treated the stadium like a mission. No excuses, just wait. Today the progress is clear. New bucket seats going in, floodlights working, tough green and playable dressing rooms upgraded, CAF inspectors in March noted significant improvements. The final inspection is next month. Sanyatwe brought military discipline to the job. Contractors paid on time, weekly site visits, zero tolerance for corruption. Critics said a soldier can't run sport. He proved them wrong. The stadium is almost done. International football is coming home. Soldiers deliver, and this time the scoreboard will prove it. Doma developments are kudapangwa ino Sanyatwe achinuka kunzi odadisa nyika yeZimbabwe, odadisa mtungamiro nyika. Pina comment section medu zofungura inyi motu kudipa mzuru kuchitu ichi. Muzawa subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.